There you go, there's just a cotton ball with some Vaseline on it. The Vaseline makes it burn longer and hotter, and using cotton instead of dryer lint just burns a little better. Beetle kill spruce just goes up like gasoline. Luckily it rained this morning, so everything's pretty wet. You wouldn't want to build a big fire like this otherwise. We kind of let the fire spread a little bit and consume up all the dry grass and sticks. Then you'll have a nice bare spot that's safe to build a fire. You just got to watch it like a hawk right now.